Do you know what you need for your kitchen to make things so much better? A brand new refrigerator. Just know only narcissists love refrigerators. The kids love them too. They can grab milk and cookies. In this refrigerator, there is a drink dispensing device that these kids love. Refrigerators may mean that you're a narcissist, but at least your kids will eat something. Look at all of those drinks. And hi, I'm Mary Westinghouse, here to tell you about this refrigerator device. This refrigerator device is so cool that you'll have older men in 50 years yelling this out on their stupid YouTube shows. See that right there? It keeps it cold for when the kids need something to drink. And when the husband gets home, that beer, it's just wonderful. In fact, your life will change if you buy your family a refrigerator. Just know this. You'll be a narcissist, but you won't have any frost. What's that, Busy? Why, I'd love to see a refrigerator commercial. Show me. A long time ago, there was a family, and they were falling apart. They didn't know what to do because the mother and father were pure narcissists. There was only one thing the kids could try to get the family back together, and that, of course, is on everybody's mind right now. What's the magic solution to my narcissist family? Well, we bought the kids bikes because we're better than you, but more than that, we made the wife happy with a brand new, excellent... Hey, my refrigerator's really good. Let me show you my refrigerator. It's right over here. I swear to God, it's awesome. Look at it. It's got this, really cool logo thing at the top. And I am so much prettier of a narcissist now that I have a brand new refrigerator. And in 50 years, dingbats will scream refrigerator on their stupid YouTube shows while they're trying to insult the enemies that they hate. But at least you'll have all this narcissistic food. Hashtag what? Oh, well, wait till you see what this refrigerator did for this family. No, Busy. No, Busy. There it is. Our family was really normal. And the thing is, we really wanted to be exceptional. So we bought the new LG Refrigerator 5000. And once we got it, well, something really cool happened. Only narcissists buy refrigerators. Why? Because it gives your kids super basketball powers. Why do you think that people in 50 years will be screaming refrigerator on their stupid YouTube shows? Because it makes their kids do slam dunks. Don't miss those special moments with refrigerator! This family was so narcissistic that the neighbors bought them a brand new refrigerator because they knew that once they bought that refrigerator, this family would be abducted by aliens. Don't believe me? Take a look. The narcissistic refrigerator aliens of the Nebula Galaxy will take away your horrible neighbors. That's right, you've got narcissists living next to you? Just buy the brand new LG 6500. Oh my God, Mom, it's aliens! As you know, most narcissists feed their dogs chocolate and they boo anyone under the age of 3. But what do you do when a narcissist needs their cat? Well, you already probably know. Get a brand new LG 4950 refrigerator because that makes every narcissist cat come home. That's right. If you don't want to boo your dog, are you sick of booing all of those kids under the age of 3? All you need is a new refrigerator, and maybe that will stop really dumb dingbats from screaming the word refrigerator on their stupid YouTube shows in 50 years. I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, UniRock, what happened to the family that was abducted by aliens? Well, let me show you. Remember earlier in the stream when a family was bought a brand new refrigerator by their neighbors because they were so narcissistic they wanted them abducted by aliens? Well, after the family started preaching a very strange kind of pseudo-philosophy to the aliens, they dropped them back off in the backyard and took off. Not even the aliens of the Zubon Nebula can stand the narcissists, but they still got to keep their narcissistic refrigerator.
Refrigerator! Refrigerator!
Okay.